गुड मॉर्निंग, मेटल इन्फो 24 चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे मैकेनिकल के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन और आंसर के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक एक करके क्वेश्चन और उसका आंसर हम बताएंगे जो इंटरव्यू में अक्सर पूछे जाते हैं, और ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल है। तो वीडियो अंत तक बने रहिएगा दोस्तों। अगर आप चैनल में नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला प्रश्न है, व्हाट इज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप? सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप आर यूज्ड टू ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्लूइड बाय द कन्वर्शन ऑफ रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी टू द हाइड्रोडायनामिक एनर्जी ऑफ द। दूसरा प्रश्न है, व्हाट इज प्राइमिंग इन सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप? प्राइमिंग is the process in which the impeller of the centrifugal pumps will get fully submerged in liquid without any air trap inside. This is especially required when there is fast startup. तीसरा प्रश्न है, why priming is required? Centrifugal pumps are not capable of pumping air or vapor because centrifugal force developed by air is not sufficient to lift water from suction side because density of air is approx 1000 times less than water. Therefore priming is required in centrifugal pump. 4 number, what is head in pump? Head is the height up to which a pump can pump a water and it is denoted by h. Height measured from section level to the center of pump is called section head. Height measured from center of pump to the discharge point is called discharge head. 5 number, what is discharge in pump? Discharge means the volume of water that a pump can pump in a unit interval of time. It is denoted by Q and measured in meter per hour. 6 number, what happens if sun gear or planetary gear is kept fixed? Answer, resulting in higher IPM output. Such type of gear is used in automobile. 7 number, what do you mean by annealing? Annealing is the process of heating any material above the recrystallization temperature and cooling after some time. This process increases the hardness and strength of material. The result you will get is a reduction of dislocation in the crystal structure of metal being annealed. Number 8, why bearings are used? The bearings are used to allow rotational or linear movement and to reduce friction between two objects. The ease of movement reduce friction and improve the speed and efficiency of the object. Number 9, what do you understand by heat treatment? It is an operation that involves the heating and cooling process of metals to change its property. Number 10, what do you mean by pump head? The pump head or discharge head of water pump is a measure of the power of a pump. The statistics is measured in meters and is calculated by placing a tube on a pump's discharge and measuring the maximum height to which it can pump. Number 11, what do you mean by multi-stage centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump having two or more than two impellers are called multi-stage centrifugal pump. Number 1, parallel combination. Number 2, series combination. Number 12, what happens when pump is parallel are used? Pump's discharge will added and increase but head remain constant. Number 13, explain multi-stage centrifugal pump having impeller in series. Answer, number of impellers are mounted in a single shaft as a result of high pressure and high head is obtained. Number 14, what is the mechanical seal in centrifugal pump and why is it used? Mechanical seal is a mechanical part of centrifugal pump and is used to arrest leakage near the rotational shaft and fix impeller casting. Number 15. What will happen if there is a leakage in pump through its casing near mechanical seal? Pump will take air and stop pumping water, and if it runs continuously, heat is generated and may result in damage of pump impeller and its parts. Number 16. What is gearbox and why it is used? Gearbox is a mechanical device and is used to reduce speed and increase torque output, while in some cases it is used to increase the output RPM and reduce torque like a automobile. Number 17. What is gearbox breather? Breather is an important device used in gearbox. Its function is to provide ventilation in gearbox to escape hot gases out and enter fresh air in. Number 18. What is function of oil seal in gearbox? Oil seal is provided in input and output shaft near casing to arrest leakage from casing. Number 19. What is multi-stage gearbox? Gearbox in which there is number of intermediate gear as a result in high gear ratio. Such types of gears are called multi-stage gear. 20 number. Which types of gears are used in multi-stage gearbox? Helical gears. Number 21. What is another name of the planetary gearbox? Epicyclic gear train gearbox. Number 22. In planetary gearbox, where outer ring gear is fixed, what happens? Answer. Resulting in low RPM output, such type of gearbox is used in industries. Number 23. In worn and wheel gearbox, input shaft non-drive side, while fan is fitted for cooling. Number 24. Reason for bearing failure. Answer. Number 1. Lack of lubrication. 2. Due to misalignment. 3. Excess load. 4. Increased clearance. 5. Damage of seal or block. Number 25. Which tool is used to measure internal clearance of bearing? Answer. Feeler gauge. Number 26. Which equipment is used to remove bearing from shaft? Answer. Bearing puller. Number 27. What is the function of the cage in bearing? Answer. It is maintain the distance of rolling element. Number 28. What do you mean by suffix Z and ZZ by ZZ in the bearing? Answer. Z, single Z, metal seal on one side, double Z, metal seal on both sides. 29. Bearing housing is made up of which metal? Answer. Cast iron. Number 30. What is normal operating temperature of bearing? Answer. 40 degree to 80 degree centigrade. Number 31. What do you mean by K in bearing? Answer. Bearing with taper bore. Number 32. What do you mean by suffix code M on bearing? M means brass cage. 33. Bearing housing is made up which metal? Cast iron. थैंक यू दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही. जय हिंद.